Welcome to Movie Review by Tolex, the home of deep movie breakdown, reviews and reactions. Today, we are diving into a powerful Yoruba epic movie titled Seven Door, produced by Femi Adebayo. This movie brings together some of Nollywood's finest legends like Adebayo Salami, Chioma Chukwuka, and of course Femi Adebayo himself, who plays the role of Adedunjoye. The story takes us deep into the mysterious Ilara kingdom, a land caught between tradition, destiny and sacrifice. The kingdom is searching for a new king, and according to the Ifa's revelation, Adedunjoye is chosen. But what brings a royal blessing soon turned into tragedy. Shortly after his coronation, his only daughter dies, and from that moment, strange calamities begin to strike the land. To restore peace, the king must embark on a spiritual journey, one that leads him to 7 doors, each door representing a test of faith, power and truth. And that's where the movie truly stands out. The symbolism behind 7 doors runs deep. It's not just a story about a kingdom cause. It's a reflection of the burden of leadership, the price of truth, and the pain of sacrifice. What makes this movie even more captivating is how it blends spiritual themes with human emotion. Femi Adebayo's performance carries an incredible emotional weight. You can feel the conflicts between being a father and being a king. Meanwhile, Ademola and Jide Kosoko add powerful layers to the story, bringing authenticity to every scene. Their delivery makes the entire film feel both ancient and timeless. And of course, Chioma Chukwuka, she too really delivers her role very well. 7 Doors reminds us that before peace can be restored, some doors must be opened, even if they lead us through pain and loss. Because sometimes destiny doesn't ask for permission, it demands sacrifice. So, what will you do if every door you open revealed a deeper truth about yourself? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more review like this. And if there's any other movie you want me to review on, kindly drop the movie title in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it. Thanks. See you in another video.